you unsure which chandelier wire to buy? Well, in this article I will tell you the pros and cons of this cable and how to use it so you can make an informed decision by the end of this video. So the pros of this wire is that it is very flexible and easy to use, and it's very thin, which helps a lot when wiring chandeliers, fitting through chandelier arms. The cons would be that it is single insulated, so it has to actually be within the light fitting. It shouldn't be used externally on chandelier arms. If you are running cable externally on your chandelier arms, then you should try our 01647 chandelier arm cable, which is double insulated. You'll be able to see that in the product category. So how to use it? You first begin by pulling the two cores apart to the required length, and then you strip the ends off by 5mm. These then need to be put into the live and neutral terminals on the lamp holder. You may wish to tin the ends of these cores using solder. When you have finished the installation and you want to connect the wire, you will need to use a meter to check which is the live and neutral core. So you do this by touching one end onto the center pin inside the E14 lamp holder, and then your other probe onto one of the cores at the other end of the wire, and the one that beeps, you know that needs to be the live core. The other one is the neutral core, which will connect to the pin in the lamp holder, which is at the side. Typical lamp holders this cable works with are our E14 chandelier lamp holders. Thank you for watching. I hope that this video has been useful for you, and if you have any questions, please get in touch with us at sales@lampfix.co.uk.